Former Senator Bongbong Marcos is reportedly cool to calls for him to become Davao City Mayor SaraDuterte's running mate in the 2022 elections. A source told Politiko Marcos wants to run for president instead of campaigning again for the vice presidency. Former President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo is said to be persuading Marcos to run as Sara's VP, but he has not reportedly changed his mind about seeking the presidency. The ex-senator's possible presidential bid has affected the political plans of other politicos, such as Manila Mayor Isko Moreno. According to Politico source, some businessmen interested in backing Moreno for president have withdrawn support in favor of Sara. The Davao City Mayor is the candidate to beat in pre-election surveys involving potential presidential bets. Talks about a potential Duterte-Marcos tandem emerged last May after the former senator visited the presidential daughter in Davao City with his sister, Senator Amy Marcos. They were also photographed having lunch with Arroyo in June.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.